Hi guys! For today's video, ang papakita po natin ngayon ay stretch film. Ang sukat po nito ay 500 mm by 500 meters. Ang timbang po nito ay 4.5 kg. What is stretch film? Stretch film is also known as stretch wrap. Is highly stretchable plastic film commonly made from low density polyethylene and LDPE that is used to wrap around items, especially at items stuck on a pallet. The elastic recovery of the wrap keeps the item bound and protected. The main purpose of stretch film is to hold products together secure during transportation to reduce product damage. It's also used to protect products from dust and moisture and to prevent tempering and there are different types of stretch films including number 1, hand stretch film. This apply manually and is best for a small scale operation. Number 2, machine stretch film. This apply using a machine which makes it efficient for wrapping large numbers of pallets. Number 3, pre-stretch film. This film is pre-stretched during manufacturing, making it lighter and easier to apply with less physical efforts. Number 4, vented pallet wrap. This type of wrap has small of ventilation, making it suitable for products that lead to such a fresh produce or floods. Number 5, UV stretch film. This film has UV inhibitors to protect products from sun damage, making it ideal for products stored outside. Number 6, color of view stretch films. This provides added security as it prevents visibility of the product deterring left. Each type of stretch film has its own advantage and is used based on the requirements of the specific application. What are the advantages of using pre-stretch film? Pre-stretch films offer several advantages, especially in terms of efficacy and cost effectiveness. Here are some key benefits. Number 1, less physical efforts. Since the film is pre-stretched, it requires less physical effort to apply. This can reduce worker and increase productivity. Number 2, lighter rolls. Pre-stretch films rolls are lighter than traditional stretch films rolls, making them easier to handle and manage. Number 3, better load stability. Pre-stretch films tends to have better load retention. This means and it can hold products together more securely during transportation, reducing the risk of damage. Number 4, cost effective. Pre-stretch films provide more coverage per roll than standard stretch films because it's already stretched. This means use less film to wrap the same amount of product, which can result in significant cost savings. Number 5, consistent performance. Pre-stretch films offer more consistent wrapping tension than manually stretched films, ensuring a more uniform application. Number 7, reduce waste because you use less film per pallet. There is less waste generated, making pre-stretch films a more environmentally friendly option. Number 7, easy to use. Pre-stretch film is easier to control during application, reducing the chance of product damage or worker injury. This advantage make pre-stretch and film popular choice for many business, particularly those looking to improve efficiency and reduce costs. So yun mga kasoldering, wag niyo pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you!